Welcome to Ask Dr. Toni. Do you have a question about your teeth or dentistry in general? Well, my name is Dr. Toni, and I'm here to answer questions about dental procedures, give helpful dental tips, and review dental products. Today, we're going to review Dabur Meswak Herbal Toothpaste. Check it out. Meswak is a twig from the Salvadora persica tree that is used for cleaning teeth. It is said to be antibacterial, antifungal, antiviral, anti-cariogenic, which means it prevents cavities, and anti-plaque, which means it helps prevent plaque buildup. It seems like it does a lot. Let's check it out and see. And we forgot, it's fluoride free. That's definitely a plus. Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to Ask Dr. Toni. Today I'm going to try Dabur Meswak Herbal Toothpaste. I wanted to try an alternative to a fluoride toothpaste because fluoride can be problematic for some people. And what I've learned is that in India, there's a lot of heavy fluoridation in the water, naturally in the water. So they tend to not use as much fluoride in the toothpaste. So Dabur brand. I have used Dabur products, hair products, so I thought that this would probably be a reputable brand. So I went to the Indo-Pac grocery store and I decided to pick this up because I had never heard of Meswak. Turns out that Meswak is an ancient herb used in Muslim religious practices that dates back to, one person said 7,000 years, another person said 1,400. I'm gonna lean towards the 7,000 because I think that's probably a little bit more accurate. So I want to try to see what this tastes like. Another reason why I like to try herbal toothpaste is because sometimes the toothpastes that are made over in the States are a little too strong, a little too spicy, and a little mint is overpowering. So I like to try other toothpaste just to see what alternatives we have. So let's see what Meswak tastes like. We're opening it right up. It smells licoricey. I hope it's not licoricey. Let's take off the, okay. We got a little foam coming out. Let's see. Wet my toothbrush. I like to wet my toothbrush before I put toothpaste on it. I'm just one of those strange ones. Okay, pea-sized amount. Then I like to wet it again. That's just my preference, what I like to do. And let's see what it tastes like. So I'm not going to bore you with a whole 2-minute brushing video of me brushing my teeth, but you do need to brush for a little bit longer than what I brushed. But it has a very pleasant flavor, very mild. I definitely would try it again, and I definitely will use it probably for the next 2 weeks just because I want to do a 2-week trial. It's mild, it's foamy, but that's because it has the SLS, the sodium lauryl sulfate in it, so be careful if you're sensitive to it. But it has that nice foamy feeling that I like for my toothpaste in there. But I love the flavor. It's a really good flavor. So I think it's a thumbs up, and I definitely would try again. Now, they say that Meswak has antibacterial, antifungal. It's good for bleeding gums and gingivitis. I don't have gingivitis personally, so I can't attest to that. But that's what they say. But for me, it is a thumbs up. See you next time. Let's go over the ingredients in this toothpaste. First, we have calcium carbonate, which is a mild abrasive. Then we have water, sorbitol, which is a sweetener that holds the toothpaste together, silica, that's abrasive and acts as a bulking agent, SLS, which is a foaming agent. Be careful about that. We've talked about that and how it can cause some problems. Flavor, which is supposed to be the aroma. I don't know what that is what that exactly is. Sodium silicate, which is an abrasive and bulking. Carrageenan, which is a thickener. Cellulose gum, that's a thickener and it binds with water to keep it stabilized. Salvadora persica stem extract, which is the Meswak. Sodium benzoate, which is a preservative that inhibits the growth of microorganisms. Sodium saccharin, which is a sweetener, and benzoyl alcohol which is a preservative. I hope the aroma isn't licorice. Over here in the States, a lot of natural brands like to put licorice in things, and the taste of licorice is just not. Yep, we liked it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care.